Cedric. What's up, my boy?
Alright guys, well, midweek vid this week's going to be really short because I spent the day doing snow tires and a little finish up work on Suburban, and I didn't film any of that because it's all just generic, general maintenance stuff. I didn't think anybody'd really be that interested in it. But for our next vid, the Toyota's out here. I think in the last vid we saw it sitting out here. We got the box sitting on it. I'm going to pull it in right now so it's ready for tomorrow. We got some product for this week. So the next few days are going to be pretty crazy. We got a whole bunch of parts.
You're reckless, irresponsible, you got no place to go. And your pile's sure, and you better least just wait down for the show. And you're senseless, and you're selfish, no, you been ripped apart. Barely enough to make a brand new start, babe. You know what, but there you go again, acting like we were friends, babe. You know that's just a means to an end, and that's all it is, babe. Your eyes are red and your brain hurts knowing you ain't got a clue. You jump in, baby, you know you fall out another late night half of you. Oh. You're demanding, just won't back down at times. You know you're so full of hate. Your depression and your sickness hanging out by the golden gates, babe. Yeah, you know what, but there you go again, acting like we were friends, babe. You know that's just a means to an end, and that's all it is, babe. All right. Behind the sun, shadows are running, chasing away the stars, you know. There you sit on a shelf and await another heart, babe. But there you go again, you acted like we were friends, man. You know, and it's just a means to an end, and that's all it is.
guys, well, we got some of the footage there, but she's all cleaned up. Hit her with a wire brush, polished off all the loose and flaky stuff, took out all the porcupine wires, but we are now a clean bed underneath, thoroughly coated. Took 5 cans of undercoat to soak this thing down, so yeah. Just that black there was almost $100, yeah, in material just to make it black and seal it up. But it should help it last a little longer, I'd hope. We got the truck sitting out here, ready to have the box set on it. We did power wash it. I got that in the footage. So tomorrow we're not going to be working Toyota. Tomorrow's going to be, I got 4 vehicles that I got to do tire swaps on. So yeah, we're going to get them done out of the way. So make everybody happy with their, get their winter tires off, get their summer tires on. That's the one sitting over there in the pile. Just waiting for Jim the Gorilla to get here. He's the best guy I have. The guy's a 2-legged forklift, you could say. I don't know how his back is any good, because the guy will pick up, I've never seen a guy pick up a V6 outboard and carry it across the yard like this guy would. But, hey guys, that's the way it is. So let's get her done. I'll put this on time-lapse when he gets here, and we'll time-lapse setting the new box on the beast. As you see, we got a little bit of body work to do on the cab here on the outside. I discovered with the power washer today. A little fuzzy there and there. Grind them out and probably just fill them up with a little MIG. Make them solid again. No other surprises with the power washer. I don't know how it turned out underneath. Let's have a look. The one-handed hood opening. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there it is. Let's get that rod in hand. That didn't sound good. Alright, hang on. Alright, she didn't clean up bad under here. Power washer does wonders, but it's going to need a couple more soaks. This thing's got a lot of years of crud built up under here we got to clean out. We will get to it. I'm going to pull the grill out in the next day or so and get this front bumper off. We'll get that fender changed, patch up the cab. That's all going to be this week, guys. We'll grind out this corner. Oh, there's Jim the Gorilla. We'll see you soon.
Alright guys, here we go again. Just sorry I got interrupted by the phone call, and then I thought I'd bring it in, so it's back inside now. A little walk around. The box is just sitting on there right now, but I'm kind of happy with the overall look now that it's got a clean, straight box on it. You know, the truck's coming around, so this week we're going to do a lot of work on it. Now that I got everything else out of the way, I still have the snow tires on my truck, but hey, got to get rid of that mirror still, that ugly mirror. We're putting some sport mirrors on it, from what I understand. So I got to fill those holes in the doors. Got a little bit of body work to do on the cab. We got to do that patch on the floor, change this fender. But like I say, guys, this is just a little short midweek update. It sat outside overnight and everything still looks happy in here. So we're going to kick the box off it in the morning. And yeah, see if we can't put a bunch of parts on. I'll show you those in a minute. Well, it'll be probably half an hour for me, but 30 seconds for you. So alright guys, we'll be back. Alright, let's try this again, guys. So, there I am walking through my kitchen. Yep. Alright guys, midweek vid. This is the end of it, but yeah. Hey, we got the truck back in the shop. It's been a messed up day, as I explained earlier, but yeah, we've got a whole bunch of parts here. Shocks, brake parts, tune-up parts, we got flex lines, we got caliper hardware, we got brake shoes, we got drums, we got rotors. Back here we got calipers, and we got a clutch, brand new clutch. Let's give this up. There. So this is, yeah, make it a little easier to pull in and out of the shop. We'll find out what the flex plate looks like once we get it out of there. And this is a job I know all of you just love doing, but we got a window regulator there too. They're always fun. We're going to do all that this week, guys. Or we're going to try and do as much as we can. We've got a patch, one hole to patch in the frame. Let's bring you around here. We got one hole to patch in the frame. And yeah, and then we got to POR the whole thing before we put all these new parts on. It's already power washed and cleaned up, so yeah, till then guys, don't do what I do if you ain't got bail money. Catch you then.